Hi guys, so Shepherd here, and today I'm going to do a Sephora Play unboxing. I just received this in the mail today, and it is the May 2019 Sephora Play box. See, I was just cutting it open. Let's see what we got in here. So, we have the Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is some sort of lotion. They put me-proof packaging. So it actually smells really good. It's kind of like a coconut scent, which is nice because a lot of things I get are really, really floral, and I'm allergic to floral, so that is never fun for me. I actually really don't like it when they put perfume in my play box. I wish there was an option to opt out of perfume, because again, I am allergic and I can't do anything with this. This is called Victor and Rolf Magic Salty Flower. It says salty flower right there. Okay. Let's see what else we got in this bag. Ooh. So I really like the IT brand, and this is Bye Bye Under Eye Cream, and developed with plastic surgeons, it says up here. Smooths, brightens, and depuffs. I am all for that, so I am going to try that out. I'm looking forward to that one. I like IT products. Alright. Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So this is going to be mascara, volumizing mascara. So that's product number, I guess 4? Yeah, 4. So we got 4. We got number 5 is a Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And this color is called Stepping Out. It's cute. It's a kind of a nudish color. Let's see. It has a lot of pigment. I know it kind of doesn't look that way. It's almost the same color as my regular lip. But here, you see that color there. I need to wipe it off. Sorry if you see a tail. My cat Odin just decided to walk by. And please ignore my super red skin. I was at soccer fields all day and now I'm burnt. Alright, so last one we have is Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. That's a lot of words for, let's see. I'm really bad at this. So, see if you can read that. Okay. So that's it. We're all empty. What are you waiting for? Open me. Alright guys, so that was the Sephora Play Box for May 2019. And of course, Sephora always includes these, and if you make an order from anything out of the play box, you get extra points. And this little pull-out gives you a little bit of information about each one of the things that you received. So they call it Coco Cabana Cream, that lotion, which I put somewhere. It has vanished now. Oh, there it is. There. That lotion right here And it says it's a coconut infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. The lip liquid lipstick is a matte liquid lipstick, and I kind of like it. And then the Lash Out Loud Benefits Comment Bad Girl Bang mascara. This one, the one I'm most excited about because I have under eye lines, and it says that it's good for the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So I'm looking forward to that one. I'm gonna try these out very soon. So that was your unboxing for Sephora, May 2019. See you guys later.